online surveys and market research. Yo, I've got the hookup for all you opinionated folks out there. It's Mike the Bossman checking in tonight. You can make some serious cash just by taking online surveys and participating in market research. That's right, companies are willing to pay for your thoughts and opinions on their products and services. Some of the top survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. All you have to do is sign up, complete your profile, and start taking surveys. And the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Now, don't expect to get rich quick with online surveys. But, if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash in your free time, this could be the perfect gig for you. Plus, you get to share your opinions and potentially make an impact on the products and services you use every day. One thing to keep in mind is that there are a lot of survey scams out there. So, make sure you do your research, and only sign up for legitimate survey websites. And, don't pay to sign up for any survey websites. If a website asks for money up front, it's most likely a scam. So, if you've got some spare time, and an opinion on everything, consider taking online surveys and participating in market research. It's a simple way to make some extra cash from home, and who knows, you might even have some fun doing it. It's a simple way